Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my tour and review of a Central Park balcony stateroom aboard Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. My initial thoughts were that this cabin was very bright and had a very inviting feel. Directly to your left when you enter is where you'll find the bathroom. This bathroom was pretty comfortable to move around in, and I found it had a good amount of storage and counter space. On the left side of the bed is where you'll find one of your 2 storage closets. During my 7-day sailing, this closet provided the perfect amount of space for all of my items. Directly in front of the bed, you have a nice size LCD TV. One of the cool things about this cabin is you can use the Royal Caribbean app to connect your phone to the TV to use as a remote. I found the bed to be very comfortable, which provided some great nights of rest during my sailing. The lamps on the nightstands have a standard power outlet along with a USB port. Located directly below the mirror on this desk, you will find plenty of power outlets to keep all your devices charged. The couch in this cabin can be converted to a pull-out bed if necessary. The drawers on the left side provide an adequate amount of space for all of your items during your sailing. And on the right side, you will find a mini refrigerator. I really enjoyed this balcony cabin due to its space and overall comfort level. Speaking of balcony, let's check it out. These Central Park balconies are truly one of a kind. I felt the space and furniture were pretty standard from what you would come to expect from a cruise ship balcony. Normally with the balcony, you get to look out into the ocean. But with the Central Park balcony, you get to check out all the happenings below, as well as get a good feel for the energy of the ship. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content on the Wonder of the Seas coming soon, such as a full ship tour, a specialty dining restaurant review, and my top 7 cocktails and review at the Schooner Bar. Now, let's hop down to Central Park for a closer view. Central Park is absolutely stunning. This area of the ship is very peaceful and relaxing, and all of the greenery in Central Park is 100% real. Be sure to stop past the Trellis Bar for a great cocktail. Giovanni's, 150 Central Park, and Chops Grill are all great places to enjoy your specialty dining in the early afternoon, and once you're done, you can dance the night away in Central Park. Thanks for watching.